Next, we are going to create a rubber material, and again we're going to benefit from the templates of the material. So I'm just going to create another EYECONE design. I'm going to rename this rubber, and I'm going to apply the rubber template. Now I'm going to apply this to a few objects so we can see the problems that we are going to have to solve. So I'm just going to select a few objects that I know that I'm going to use this rubber. I'm going to apply the rubber to the cables and to the plugs. So real quick. Also, I'm going to apply this to all these base pieces that we have here on this chair and on the Mery lounge chairs as well. So just going to open this, select the rubber objects and apply it. There you go. Now let's just do a quick render. I'm just going to choose a view, something like that. Let's just edit the region and do a quick render right after. So I'm just editing the region and then quick render. So I like this rubber material and I like how it looks, but in my opinion it's a little too light. I like when it's a little darker. So that's the only thing I'm going to edit here. So I'm just going to open it and choose a little darker shade of gray, but never use black. Okay, when we use a completely black color, there's no room for a darker color to create the shadows, so the material will look flat. So I'm going to use a very dark tone, and then let's just do another test render real quick. There you go, looking good. So this is our rubber material. Just select every single little piece that you feel should be rubber and just apply the material between lessons. In the next lesson, we are going to create an opaque white material to apply in a few of our objects. So I'll see you then.